What's up, guys? Artil Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Bassett USA 79 multi-tool. Let's begin. Now, this one is quite a bit of a pretty simple piece. I mean, like a big old piece of steel, like probably one piece with a cutout hole in there too. One giant pin to hold all the pieces, and one to put like a lanyard or a bead chain, stuff like that. Let's see, this one has of course, the can opener, bottle opener, bottle opener with a flathead screwdriver, have the Bassett USA 79 on there. On the other hand, is basically the file and the finger cleaner is also have like Bassett right here, like it's actually underneath that. And then the blade itself didn't really have any marking on it, but it is definitely a Bassett knife. It's kind of like a straight edge, or rather a CX or a sax type, as you could probably know. I think these are like stainless steel, or maybe carbon steel, because it's a little rusted, but it is really sharp, believe it or not. Okay. And then the size itself, the handle, and while it's closed, would be around about of 2/4. The blade itself is around about 1.5 inch. With the overall size with the blade deployed is around about 4 inches. For the file and finger cleaner would be around about or fingernail cleaner would be around about 1.5 inch. For the overall size would be around about 4 inches. And then you get to the can opener or bottle opener and basically flathead screwdriver, which is around about 1.5 inch. The overall size is 4 inches. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there is pretty good. I mean, these are rather clean cuts from the bottle itself. Rather, basically from the straight blade. It's from the blade itself, which is pretty good of all things. That's actually pretty sharp of all things. So I'm giving the Bassett USA 79 an astounding of a 7 out of 10. It's a not bad multi-tool, and it actually is kind of worth the price. I mean, you could probably know it costs around like $8 to $10. It's not a bad piece. So that wraps up of the Bassett USA 79 multi-tool or pocket knife. I'm Artil Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.